Hello and welcome to my channel. Say hi to a happy day. In this channel, I would like to share tales and stories I personally picked and are my kids' favorite book stories. Let's enjoy listening while I read to you a book, Reptiles. When snakes grow, they shed their skin, leaving the fresh layer underneath. It is no surprise then that snakes are often associated with transformation, healing, and immortality. Frogs and toads are also linked to transformation because their life cycle sees them turn from frog spawn to tadpole to fully grown frog or toad. The Egyptians and the Greeks believed that snakes ate and then gave birth to themselves, making them immortal. The symbol of a snake coiled in a cycle, eating its own tail, is known as an Ouroboros and represents eternity. In Chinese tradition, Jin Chan is an enormous bullfrog with red eyes and 3 legs who appears at full moon near a house or business about to receive good fortune. Statues of Jin Chan are in houses to attract money and protect wealth. It was believed that snakes dare not travel through clover, so to sleep in a patch of these plants kept the traveler safe from snake bites. The Diguenuo Indians of California said that humans gained all knowledge from an enormous snake called Umay Uhiawit. The snake lived in the ocean but was tempted to live on the land in a shelter made by the people. He squeezed his body into the shelter, but the people set it on fire, causing him to explode, scattering everything he knew across the earth. Snakes were sacred in Greek mythology, and for the god of medicine, Asclepius, they were especially important. After doing a snake a good turn, the serpent whispered into Asclepius' ears knowledge of healing. From then on, Asclepius carried a staff with 2 serpents wrapped around it, and this has become the symbol of doctors. In medieval times, it was believed that toads had a magical stone in their heads called a toadstone. The stones were well sought after as they were thought to be an antidote to poison. Anyone wearing a toadstone would be warned of nearby poison by the stone heating up or changing color. Teedalik was a frog in the legends of indigenous Australian peoples. He drank all the water in rivers and pools until there was a drought and the plants began to die. To get Teedalik to release all the water, the eel tied himself in knots, causing the great frog to laugh. As he chuckled, the water flowed out of his mouth, and the drought was over. I hope you enjoyed listening to the book, Reptiles. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to listen to more of our favorite book stories. See you soon!